Today I'm going to show you how to add DE to the DE filter. Sometime opening up a skimmer cover could be difficult, so I made this tool very handy. Pops open the cover. I use the same tool to lift up the skimmer basket. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to clean the skimmer basket, and then before you add the DE, you want to make sure the pump is running. So I'm going to go and turn the pump on, and on the filter on the left side you have a table that tells you how much DE your system needs. That's the gauge. So my system needs 6 1-pounder cup of DE. It's very important to have the pump running because you don't want the DE to mix with the pool water, and the pump will suck the water and the DE into the pump. It'll store it in the filter system, and then the water will go through the manifold and come into your pool with no DE. You do not want to see any DE coming out of your jet. That means something might be wrong with your manifold. It's very important to know that DE is powder. You don't want to add DE on a windy day. Not a good idea. You don't want it all over the place. Very important not to touch your eyes, your face when you're handling DE. After you have add, it's a good idea to take pool water and rinse off the area. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.